Hello, everybody. I'm Rob Smith with Trinity 918 Designs, where we specialize in landscape lighting and hardscape lighting for your home and businesses.
Thank you for joining us today on our channel. Today I'd like to talk to you about the differences in transformer type. Every landscape lighting system has a transformer. We only sell stainless steel transformers. You can find plastic transformers at your local hardware stores or big box stores. That's probably all they will have because they're less expensive. But they're more of a one size fits all transformer. You'll buy like a 100-watt or a 200-watt style transformer, and most of them will just have like a photo cell on it. And they're going to be plastic and probably give you a 6 months or maybe a 1-year warranty. The transformers we sell are all stainless steel and they come with a lifetime warranty. You can choose either a photo cell or a timer. And the best part about it is you can buy a 100-watt, a 300-watt, a 600-watt, a 900-watt, a 1200-watt, depending on the size of your system. Also, depending on how far the lights are from the transformer, you're going to need different voltage taps. So, for instance, if you have a light fixture 25 feet away, you're going to want to put that on a 12-volt tap. But every time you increase the distance by 25 feet, you lose a volt. And so you do that 3 or 4 times and you have a fixture 100 feet away. Now your 12-volt fixture is only getting 9 watts or 9 volts, and that's not going to be sufficient enough to make it as bright as it should be. So these commercial style transformers have what we call voltage taps, and I'll try to show you here. You can see right here at the bottom where it says 12 to 22 volts. And so depending on how far those fixtures are, we're going to choose the appropriate tap. So our lights take 12 volts. And if you have a fixture 100 feet away, you're going to lose 4 volts. So we're going to want to put that either on the 15 or 16 volt tap, so it will put out 16 volts, but by the time that voltage gets to that light fixture, it's going to see the appropriate 12 volts, and it will be just as bright as all the rest of them. If you just use one wire coming out of this transformer and you daisy chain all your lights, the lights at the end of that chain are going to be much dimmer than the lights at the front part of the chain, and they're just not going to look good. And so that's why you really want to hire somebody that knows what they're doing so they can put everything on the right voltage tap and make sure you're utilizing 100% of the voltage given to each one of your light fixtures. That's what's going to make the biggest difference when designing a system, is making sure every light is giving you 100% and you're utilizing what you have. It's the best way to make your lights look the best.